Hi everyone, Car Carrot is here again. Here are the most popular vehicles for each generation. Baby boomers, often shortened to boomers, are the demographic cohort following the silent generation and preceding Generation X. The generation is often defined as people born from 1946 to 1964, during the post-World War II baby boom. 1. Ford F-Series Pickup. Ford F-Series pickup retail price goes for $29,290. 25 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 26 miles per gallon. 2. Toyota Camry. Retail price starts from $25,295. 28 miles per gallon in city while on the highway it's 39 miles per gallon. The Toyota Camry is the second most popular vehicle among baby boomers, after the Ford F-Series pickup. The baby boomer generation controls almost half of the nation's household wealth, but as a group, they still favor car models with cheaper sticker prices. It is understandable why drivers with more driving expertise frequently favor the Camry and the F-Series pickup because both vehicles have reasonable costs and good gas mileage. The next generation is Gen X. Generation X is the demographic cohort following the baby boomers and preceding the millennials. Researchers and popular media use the mid to late 1960s as starting birth years and the late 1970s to early 1980s as ending birth years, with the generation being generally defined as people born from 1965 to 1980. 1. Ford F-Series Pickup. Ford F-Series pickup retail price goes for $29,290. 25 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 26 miles per gallon. 2. Honda Accord. Retail price starts from $24,970. 30 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 38 miles per gallon. Gen X may receive less attention in generational discussions than its millennial counterparts, but it still has a large presence in the auto industry. Gen X represents a sizable consumer base, making up over 20% of the population and possessing 26.9% of the country's household wealth in 2021. The Ford F-Series pickup and midsize cars are favorites among Gen Zers, just like they are among baby boomers. However, Gen Zers favor the Honda Accord as their preferred car. The next are the millennials. Millennials, who are those born between 1981 and 1996 and were between 25 and 40 years old in 2021, are the fastest growing generation. 1. Honda Accord. Retail price goes for $24,970. 30 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 38 miles per gallon. 2. Nissan Altima. Retail price starts from $24,550. 28 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 39 miles per gallon. Millennials, the most researched and possibly most demonized generation to date, have frequently faced unfair criticism for their purchasing patterns. They have been held responsible for the collapse of diamonds, the decline in marriage rates, and even shamed for loving avocado toast. However, millennials defy the stereotype that they are a frivolous generation when it comes to their preferred vehicles, as both of the top two choices for their generational cohort are sensible and affordable options. Both of the most popular vehicles among millennials, 3.13% of whom drive Honda Accords and 2.87% who choose Nissan Altimas, are midsize sedans, in contrast to baby boomers and Gen X. Gen Z. Generation Z, colloquially known as Zoomers, is the demographic cohort succeeding millennials and preceding Generation Alpha. Researchers and popular media use the mid to late 1990s as starting birth years and the early 2010s as ending birth years. Most members of Generation Z are children of Generation X. 1. Honda Accord. Retail price goes for $24,970. 30 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 38 miles per gallon. 2. Honda Civic. Retail price starts from $21,700. 31 miles per gallon in city while on the highway is 40 miles per gallon. The most racially and technologically diversified group of new drivers in the country, they exhibit a great desire to fight for social change in the face of an uncertain future. Both Hondas are the models that Gen Z drivers prefer to drive. 4.63% of Gen Z drivers prefer the Honda Accord, which is followed by the Honda Civic. These Hondas are the best options for new drivers in a generation that values having a smaller carbon footprint because they are both less expensive than other new cars on the market and extremely fuel efficient. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.